In my previous video, I introduced you to the Masters Property Services. Under that umbrella, we have Properties by Masters, a service dedicated to helping you search for real estate here in Punta Cana, whether that is a condo, villa, or land. I also introduced our additional service, Property Inspections by Masters. That service was created to assist buyers who are outside of the country when they receive notice that their property is ready to be delivered. Instead of immediately booking flights, lodging, transportation, and taking time away from work, you can hire us to go on your behalf and review the visible condition of the property before you travel. We take the load off your shoulders. We conduct the initial inspection, provide photos, videos, and a written inspection report detailing our findings. And after corrections are made, we return a second time to verify that the items were addressed. This service can potentially save you thousands of dollars in unnecessary travel expenses and help you arrive with more confidence when it is time to receive your unit. If you haven't seen last week's video, I will leave a direct link at the end of today's presentation so you can watch it. Now let's talk about the next service under the Masters Property Services umbrella. Property Interiors by Masters. Many buyers purchase property here in Punta Cana while living in the US, Canada, Europe, or other parts of the world. Property Interiors by Masters was designed to help property owners furnish, prepare, and set up their property after delivery, whether the property will be used as a vacation home, a full-time residence, or a rental property. This process has many moving parts. The first thing we need to understand is your goal for the property, because the outcome of the interior design and layout depends on your needs and wants. This is not a one-size-fits-all service. So depending on your purpose and budget, we can create a package for you. Our goal is simple: to help turn an empty unit into a property that is clean, furnished, organized, and ready for use. We assist with furniture selection, delivery coordination, household setup, decor, and preparation of the unit so that when you arrive, you are not walking into an empty space with a long list of things still left to do. Because just like the inspection process, this is about taking the load off your shoulders. You should not have to travel back and forth, spend your valuable time and money running from store to store, or try to coordinate everything from another country. With Property Interiors by Masters, we help bridge that gap. So where do you begin? You begin with a simple conversation. Tell our team what your plans are for the property, how you intend to use it, and what you need the unit to become. Whether your goal is to make the property live-in ready, vacation ready, or turnkey ready for rental use, we are here to help make that process easier for you. Call our interior designers at 809-223-8736 or 561-222-0660. You can also send an email to interiors@propertiesbymasters.com. Let us help turn your empty unit into a prepared, functional, and welcoming space. Property Interiors by Masters. From empty to ready.